Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at Baldur's Gate 3 running on the Absolute 3D1 connected to my eGPU, which is the morefine G1 with an NVIDIA 4080M. We'll do a quick test of 3D and 2D game performance, and we're going to start things off at 1600p connected to the eGPU with ultra settings and DLSS set to quality. With these settings, we'll first try out 2D mode, and at these settings, we seem to be getting in the mid 50s up to around 60 FPS. So, a really playable experience. It's a very sharp image at 1600p, and we have pretty smooth performance. Like for an RPG like this that's turn based, it's perfectly fine to be under 60 FPS. And because this is one of the supported games, we just have to toggle the switch to enable the mod and switch it to native 3D. We don't have to worry about AI 3D mode when we've launched this from the Absolute Mod Manager. The performance isn't bad. Like we're, somewhere around 40 FPS, sometimes a bit higher, sometimes a little bit lower, but overall it feels quite smooth. And because we're connected to the eGPU, we don't seem to have that strange issue where it's reporting a certain FPS, but it feels like about half of that. So for this one, it does actually feel like mid 30s, sometimes 40s. So honestly, a very playable experience for 3D. Now we're going to drop our graphics settings down to low to see if it makes any kind of difference. And Baldur's Gate 3 is kind of strange. Like the difference between ultra settings and low settings isn't actually that dramatic. As you see with the frame rate here, it seems to be pretty much the same. So you may as well run this at ultra settings if you're going to play the game because going down to low does not seem to make any kind of difference. When we turn off 3D mode, we can actually see that there is a slight difference between low and ultra when we're playing in 2D. When we were playing in ultra, we were hovering right around 60 FPS, and now at low settings, we're at like mid 60s. So you're just getting a small performance bump by making this switch. If you want to learn more about the Absolute 3D1, check out my early impressions video that was on my Okayest Gamer channel, or if you want to see some more game performance, I do have other tests on this channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.